Alright, so I wanted to record a short instructional video of how to find a course that you're not able to find on your Schoology homepage. So these 12 classes here and how to access previous work. So if you click on My Courses here on the right hand side, this is how you can find a course that is not showing up on your Schoology homepage. They're here on the left hand side. If you have a course that is showing up there that's not necessary and you want one of your classes so you don't have to keep doing this over and over again to show up, you can click on Reorder Courses, drag and drop your classes in whatever order you want them to be in. But remember, notice anything below this line right here is not going to show up on the home page, but can be accessed in the way that I just showed you. So accessing previous work, I'm just going to use one class as an example for all classes. So my health and PE, so both health and phys ed this works for, they're now in their second week and they possibly did not do an assignment. So if you look here, things are no longer in the to-do folder. They've been moved to the finished or past due folder. So if you open up this folder, you're seeing this one's clearly labeled week 1. It has the dates for the folder, and that's what I'm going to do in organizing them. So if you miss a certain assignment, look at the due date, find the folder that has that date within its range, open it up. So you can see here in week 1 we did our classroom expectations assessment, we did some discussion posts, also we did some examples of health or phys ed lesson. So anything you would need is inside of this folder. You can go ahead and do it. And then I can give you a grade for the missed work.